So that we discussed about the images, just we added into this, like those all are one as the image view, other is the image button. And last, before going to this, like before end of the session, just we added here min and max value for this, right? That the sigma min value and max value, we added that. Right, so that we supposed to run and we will see that now. So while running this, I'll add this again for this image view and image button. Listener we will apply here. So that is running. So that meanwhile here we will apply the listener for those. So as I already told that for these two components, that is like similar. It is normally it will be like that is binding dot. So image button. So for those two components also, it is very basic listener. We will apply that like on click listener only we will apply. So that we will see here. So I think we kept this set on click listener. So on click listener. So within this on click listener now, we will write a toast. So toast dot make text. So that is this at the rate main activity, comma. Here just for understandable, I'm writing that image view. So then toast dot length long or short something. So then dot show. Right. This is for like this is for the image view. So next I'll add here for the image button. So only one change here. This we will change IB. So here I'll add that is the image button. Right. So this we will see here. It is running. So the railroad device. Okay, so it's connected. Now, once it is run, we will see that the minimum and max value. Then again, if we run this image view and image button, we can able to check that. We will rerun this. Error coming up. What is error? Right. It is launched. See now. So we set a minimum as 10, maximum as 30. See. So within that range only we can select. Right. So that is about the sequence. Right. So we added this image view and image button, right? So now I'm running again this. I think now it is already there. Yeah, image view, image button. So both are working like this. So this we will use. So image view and image button in a simple way we'll use like this. So now we will see as of now what are the things we completed and what are the other items are pending here. So here text view, button, image view. So switch. So these scroll view are not yet discussed. So these are all the things completed. Here only we discuss text. This remaining we supposed to discuss in a buttons. Button, image button, checkbox, radio button, toggle, switch. These all are done. Chip and the chip group. These two are pending that we will see later. And here sig bar has done, rating bar has done. These all are will come after this. So almost with this, the basic related things has completed. Right, the basic things has completed. Now we supposed to discuss on the next step, that is a form, like how to create a form. Like basic elements has completed with this. So now we will see the how to create a form. So form means like as of now we collected the data and that we are using here, but now the data whatever the data we are supposed to get, that we supposed to handle with the like from user side we have to handle. We have to collect the data from the user side. Like I want to enter my name, I want to enter my mobile number, I want to enter something else like that. We have to discuss that. So that we have to do here. Now just I close this project. So this is the project is created. Now here for this case, I'm taking here the linear layout. So for here, I'm giving the orientation. So linear layout has the orientation, right? So I'll give the orientation as vertical because here I supposed to create more than 10 different kinds of fields. So what it contains, what are the like, it is a total 2 to 3 days topic it is. So today we will start, most probably it will close by day after tomorrow. So that we will see it. So that is Android colon orientation, because in this we'll discuss how to create a form and how to use the other resources, and also how to provide the validations for those particular text that we will discuss here. So that are the things we will cover here. Right. So here, this is like a form example. I'll write that as a form example. So once it is loaded, we will drag and drop all the elements, because just now I showed in a design, right? So there are multiple things are there. So those all are the multiple things we supposed to design here. That's not almost it is project has created. So there are various kinds of text fields are there. Like one is for used for the name, password, email, mobile number, only numbers, only numerics, date, time. Like there are multiple different has there. So those all are we'll see here now. So it is scanning, means almost it is done. Yeah. So now from here, we can drag and drop one by one. So from plain text. So this is the plain text it is created, right? Next is the password. Next password numeric. The password field, but it can accept only the numbers. Right. Next, it is email. Next, it is phone. Next, it is the postal address. Right. Next is the multi-line where user has to write more number of data. So that is multi-line. Next, time, date, next, number. So next is the only number sign. And next number decimal, right? So as of today, we not yet drag and drop anything. So, but today just I showed you drag and drop. See, once we have done drag and drop here, see automatically the code has generated here, right? So before writing the few things into this directly, I'm running this application. So first we will see the output. Like see here, there are a lot of advantage in our case. So what are the advantages? By seeing the screen, you have to justify that, because in a web application, giving the validation is difficult, but in our case, giving the validation is simple and easy. So why it's so simple and easy, I'll tell you once it is run. Just wait for 2 minutes. Once it is run, we will see that and we'll discuss the things. Yeah, almost it is done. So like meanwhile, we will add some of the properties because it is taking time. So here, this edit text, each and every edit text will contain the different properties. Like here, it has the text property, right? So all the text view related properties can be applied here this for this. So like I'll add all the properties here one by one. So that is here, first of all, like it contains the text, right? So text size. So I'll add 20 sp, right? Next, text color. So text color. So wait, it is launching. That's the reason it is not showing the properties. So text color. Yeah, text color. So I'm adding some random color. So we will modify later. So now it is launched here. We can see. See now, just you can observe my screen. I'm pressing the tab. So whenever I'm in a password field, Visor can restrict that. So you cannot access that, but remaining you can access here. See now. See what you observed. See, based on the text content, automatically the keyboard has changing, right? So the keyboard is updating as per the input. Means giving the validation means if I give the number, so by clicking the user row, you feel that okay, it is number, because that automatically the number keyboard is opening. This is because of the virtual keyboard. This is the advantage in our case, right? But here you can observe one more thing. See here now I have first one as came text. Suppose I want to write something here. See, that text is continuing after that. But here I'm writing like this. It is coming because for the first one, the property has applied has here text. So in case if text is already applied, it should be like this. So normally we won't use the text. Instead of the text, we'll use some other property. Like I'll write that property as well here so that we will say has the hint. So that property we will call that is the hint property. So we will add the hint. So hint, I'll add whatever here the default the number type. So for our understandable, right, I like see that hint should be little bit a dull color. So for that hint also we can give color. So like text color hint. So text color hint. So that I'll give some different color. Right. Now other properties we will give. So text size we given text color. So text style, bold, italic, that also we can give, right? So text style, text all caps, true. So text color, sorry, text size, style, italic, and we can give margin. So 10 dp, padding, so 10 dp. Like this, I have created the properties here. Right. So for this hint color, we will change something. So instead of this, I want to display this color. And this color, text color, I want to display this color. Right, I have changed it. So these are the properties we will apply. Like one is the text color, text size, text color hint, text all caps, and style, margin, this we will apply. Right. Now these properties from the hint, we will apply these properties for each and every edit text. So here for the first one, text property is there. I'm removing that. Right, I have removed that. I added that. Next is the password. So each and every place I'm modifying that. Like that hint we will update. So next is the phone number. Next is the post address. Right, next is the multi-line. So for the multi-line, we can give like we can create a min line. Like I want 5 lines. Minimum user has to write 5 lines. See that length has increased here. Right, next. So date, number. So whatever I'm creating now, those all are outside of the screen. So means for this page, even we have to apply the scroll wheel. So then only it will work. Right. First, we will change the this hint so that we can feel that form has created properly. So whatever the input type is here, so that I am updating here for every place. So number. So after that number, it is date, right? Then this is the time. So I have added the time. This is the multi-line, right? Multi-line. Here I have added multi-line. So postal address, I have added the postal address. And this is the phone. I have added the phone. And this is the email. So I have added email. So number password is same. So next is the text password. So updated text password. Next is the text. Done. So I have done like this. Right. So now what should I do here? So now for this, as I told, for this we have to apply scroll view. So I'm applying the scroll view here. So match parent and my prep content. So, but whenever we apply the scroll view, so that scroll view can be applied for the layout, not for the single component we cannot apply. So we have to apply for the scroll view. So that's the reason here we have to, here I'm creating a linear layout. So one more sub layout I'm taking here. For that layout, we will apply that match parent. And the orientation for this is vertical, right? So then this particular layout as well as the scroll view, I can close after these all the edit text elements here. So before the parent, so like this I have done. Right, now I'm running this. We will see on a mobile. Whatever we applied the properties, those all are working properly here or not, that we will see in a mobile. Then we can discuss some more things about this. Because these forms are very and important in every place, everywhere we will use this. So it is launching, we will see. See now, number decimal. So scrolling also work. Like I'm entering the text. Let us see text color. You can see the text color. So the password. So password you cannot see, but after enter you can see that star, right? So I have entered number password as well. Then email ID. So something like mobile number. So whenever I'm writing the multi-line, should be like, see, automatically it will create the content in the next line, right? So here we have given as the minimum, right? Then time. So I can enter something time, 11:20 date. I can enter so something date like this, right? Next number, something number sign. So number decimal here, you can add that like this. So these are all the things we are adding like this, right? So hint will be display until the data has entered. Once the data has entered, that hint will be disappear. Like let us say here for this mobile number, I want to add only 10 digits. Like so where is the mobile number? This is the mobile number. Here you can give some that is max length 10. See now I'm running. So here you can able to add maximum 10, but after 10 letters, even you try to enter, it won't take and it won't alert you. Like it will say that mobile number can be only 10 digit, like that it won't say. That kind of thing we can handle dynamically. That as I told, that validation, right? That we can handle from the Kotlin side. So that we will see in a Kotlin side. But now, like will be restrict up to 10 digit. How that we will see here now. Let once it is run, we will see that. So and after that, here below, we will take one button. So once click on the submit button, how to validate and what are the things that we will see here. Like, see here now in a mobile number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See now I'm clicking again. I'm clicking, but it is not taking the data and it is not alerting you. It is not taking the data like that. So that we have to handle from that side, right? That we have to see in our next class, because that we have to handle programmatically. But today, for the last year, we will create one button and we'll close the today's session. And first, we will write in a Kotlin. Once click on the button. From this, we will take 2 to 3 any of the text, any of the edit text, and how to read the data into that we will discuss. So that I'm creating one ID for that ID, that is PT. So text property. So text submit. Right. So this text properties we can apply. So we'll close. This text color hint could not be there, so that I remove that. Done. So the button has created here. So we will see that button action and all in next class.